Hey guys, I have a fun vertical double half hitch knot pattern for you today. I love how easy it is to incorporate color into this pattern. I'll show you how to do this as we move along in the tutorial. If you're enjoying my tutorials, it really helps my channel if you could like and comment on this video and subscribe. Thanks so much. Let's get started. The finished design measures 3¼ inches wide by 2½ inches long, but this is an easy pattern to repeat to make wider or longer. A quick note on the length of the cords used here. When tying the vertical double half hitch knot, the cords attached to your dowel are not used to tie your knots. These are your filler cords. Additional cords are added to your work that are used to tie your knots. These are your working cords. Therefore, you won't need to add much to the length of your cords attached to your dowel. Cut 6 pieces of mustard cord, each piece is 60 centimeters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using Lark's head knots. After creating your design, there's about 10 centimeters left of cord underneath the last row of knots. Cut 1 piece of mustard cord, 1 piece of vintage blue cord, and 1 piece of terracotta cord. Each piece is 3 feet in length. Grab your piece of mustard cord and tie 6 vertical double half hitch knots along your work. Before tying each knot, cross the filler cords as I've done here. Repeat this process adding a piece of vintage blue cord to your work. Leave about ½ inch of space in between the rows of knots. Repeat this process adding a piece of terracotta cord to your work. Tuck the ends into the back of your work or cut them off. If you're worried about the knots coming undone, you can always add a bit of glue where you've cut off the extra cord to secure the knot in place. I just love the look of this pattern and will be experimenting with it to create a few other projects, so stay tuned for those tutorials in the coming months. Thanks so much for watching.